we've bought a Cat 308. From early engagement throughout to the delivery of the plant was exceptional from Bennie Plant, and even the follow-up of the plant and the questions we've asked regarding different facilities that it has, it's worked well. My name is Viv Gallagher, company name is Galldoc Power. Our company Galldoc Power supplies all the plant and drilling machines to G&V Gallagher Limited. Also, when we bought the plant, we had special attachments for it, for specialist buckets, because there's certain buckets that are better on the market than others, and Bennie Plant was very helpful with that, and from start to finish, everything that we've asked for, they've delivered on. So this Cat 308 here is doing a pipeline for Severn Trent. It's lifting ductile iron pipes, and it's lifting them into place, and then it slots the pipe and pushes the pipe home. We've got 1.5 kilometre on this scheme to do, but the next stage is another 2.5 kilometres. So this Cat machine will be running continuously on this project. Also, it's very good for backfilling and reinstatement. So it's got all the attachments for the backfilling, the compactor plate, the breaker, and they work really well on this, especially on the road as well, because you cannot have a large machine. So this kind of does the work of a larger plant, but it's the smaller model. But because it's got such good power, and the operators highly recommend it, we stick with Cat 308s. And also the new Cat 308 has got a lot more features than the old one. So it's got the air conditioning, the quick hitch, the radio, standard practical things for the operator to be able to use, but it's all at one flick of a button. It's all on the new touch screen. We've kept going back to Cat due to their durability, due to the customer response that we get if anything goes wrong with them, and due to what they're good at, because we've tried other ones on the market and we find that the Cats, for whatever reason, being the operators, give us the good feedback, so we put our trust in our operators and on the site management, and that's why we roll out the Cats on full scale over all our projects. The backup we find from the first initial, if there's a breakdown or anything like that, we've got a very clear-cut service from Bennie Plant, the likes of them and other ones from Cat, and we find that the service is really good. Having the backup service is key, because production is key on all our pipelines across the board. So if we've downtime, it's costing the company money, the client money, it's costing everyone money and time. So we want to make sure that the backup is on par with how we want to work. I think Caterpillar Plant does everything that we want. It's a one-stop product, and from start to finish, through winter, summer, no exception, regardless of terrain, it can cope with what we want.